Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a classic black and white look for your videos? Canva makes it easy to transform colorful footage into a monochrome style using the mono filter with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make videos black and white in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can edit an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap video, choose YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find filters, then tap filters. The filters panel will open. Select mono. If you don't see it, swipe through the filter categories until you find mono. The mono filter will remove color from your video and create a classic black and white appearance. Tap the mono filter to preview the effect on your video. You can adjust the intensity if available or use the default setting. Once you're happy with the result, tap the X icon, then tap the checkmark icon. The black and white effect will be applied to your video. To save your video, tap the upload icon, select share or download. For this example, I'll choose download. The download settings will appear. You can adjust the file type and quality settings or keep the default options, then tap download. Canva will process and save your video. And that's how to make videos black and white using the mono filter in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.